Hello friends, welcome back to HalfTuber 81. Namaste and happy Navratri to all. As we celebrate the divine feminine, the strength, grace and nurturing energy of Ma Durga, let's also honor the quiet power of nature that lives in our own backyards. In today's video, I want to talk about a small but mighty gift, the tomato. Just one tomato a day can fulfill your body's vitamin C needs. No need to buy expensive tablets from medical stores. Nature already provides us with it. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants, boost immunity, and support heart health. But when you grow them yourself organically, with love, the benefits go far beyond nutrition. Gardening is a therapy in itself. It boosts self confidence, reduces stress, and connects us to something bigger than ourselves. Watching a seed sprout, nurturing it with your hands, and harvesting your own food, it's a reminder that you are capable, grounded, and growing. Organic gardening also means fewer chemicals, better soil, and cleaner air. It's a gift to your body, your family, and the planet. So, this Navratri, as we lit diyas and chant mantras, let's also sow seeds of wellness. Let your garden be your temple. Let your fruits and vegetables be your prasad. Let your hands be the offering. There are moments in life that words simply can't hold. My first tomato harvesting was one of them. It began with a tiny sapling which I brought from a nursery, fragile, green, full of promise. I had planted it in a grow bag, watching it grow day by day, leaf by leaf. Every morning I would check on it like a child, whispering encouragement, brushing off dust, offering water like prayer, and then one day it bloomed. Not just with flowers but with a quiet confidence. So I gave it a new home, my garden soil, richer, deeper, and more rooted. Weeks passed, and one morning I saw them, red, ripe, glowing like little suns. My first tomatoes. I held them in my hands, and something stirred inside me. Pride, gratitude, a joy I couldn't explain. It wasn't just a harvest, it was healing. Proof that patience grows, that care blossoms, that even the smallest seed can become something sacred. This wasn't just gardening, it was a journey. And the tomatoes, they were my reward, my reminder, my prayer answered. My first harvest wasn't a basket full. It was just two ripe red tomatoes. But the journey, it was rich beyond measure. The sight of bright plum tomatoes hanging on the plant was so satisfying, which I can't explain it in words. It was the best feeling of my gardening experience. When I harvested the tomatoes and held them in my hands, something shifted inside me. It wasn't just joy, it was confidence, a quiet faith that hard work never and patience in gardening never goes waste. We had planned a trip to Mumbai, so I couldn't wait for the other tomato to become ripe. So I harvested it before it became ripe. And with that, I made tomato fry that evening before we were leaving for Mumbai. It was a simple tomato fry with butter and salt and pepper, but it tasted so wonderful and delicious. Maybe because, as people say, that the fruits and vegetables of patience are always sweeter. It wasn't just food, it was a proof that some nurturing something with your own hands, no matter how small, can feed your soul. This harvest gave me more than tomatoes, it gave me belief. To every gardening lovers out there, this is your gentle reminder. Grow one vegetable, maybe two. That's all it takes to feel the magic. You don't need acres of land or fancy tools. Just a little soil, a little love, and seed that believes in you. Start with something simple: tomatoes, spinach, chilies. Watch them sprout, stretch, and bloom. And as they grow, so will you. Because gardening isn't just about food, it's about faith, it's about waking up to check on a leaf and finding peace in its growth. It's about learning patience, nurturing hope, and celebrating small victories. When you harvest that first tomato or pluck that first leaf of spinach, you'll feel something words can't explain: a quiet bliss, a connection to the earth. So, this Navratri, as we light diyas and chant mantras, I would like to appeal with all my gardening friends, let's also sow seeds of wellness. Grow your own vegetables, eat fresh, and live rooted. Because true devotion begins with caring for our bodies, our soil, and our spirit. Hope this video encourages my fellow gardening friends to go grow more organic fruits and vegetables in their terrace garden or in their backyard. Organic isn't just a method, it's a mindset. So grow with love, eat with pride, and live with joy. Happy gardening. Jai Mata Di. Go green, grow green.